Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to your lesson 8. I believe this is for Thursday, May 14th. If I have the date wrong, sorry, just check your Google Classroom. But it should be this page here in your packet, and it's grade 3, word factory. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now. Today's lesson, we're working with spelling, and then we're also going to be working with prefixes to make new words and suffixes as well. Okay, so there's 3 pages in your packet today. So let me go ahead and share my screen so that way you guys can see the worksheet page. If you haven't already gotten your worksheet packet, please go ahead and take that out onto your workspace, and then we're gonna go through this together. So question number 1 is adding missing vowels. So if you just read the sentences, then you can fill in the missing vowel. So for example, the first one says, our family blank for a blank in a caravan. And I'll do the first one with you guys. So our family want for a vacation in a caravan. Okay, so go ahead and write that in your packet. The second one says, the man drove his blank to the top of the blank. So go ahead and fill that in. And then remember, at any point, you guys can just pause this video. I'm just going to go ahead and read the sentences to you guys. The third one, we saw sand blank and blank at the beach. Sally blank the table for blank. And James has a blank of toys blank his bed. So remember, each one is missing vowels. And if you've forgotten what a vowel is, it's A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so it's only one of these letters. Alrighty, down to question 2. Number 2, it says you're going to join. Let me make this a little bit bigger. There we go, that's better. Number 2 says join the letters to make words. So for example, they combine F plus U, R plus L, and that makes furl. Okay, so you can go in any directions that you want, and then your goal is to see if you can find 8 words. So let me see if I can find one right now as I'm doing it with you. Maybe we can do B, O, W, and that spells bow. So then I would just write that in there like so. Okay. The third one, ooh, I just went underwater. So cool. Okay, question number 3, let me clear my drawing. Question number 3, it says, add the missing letters. Here you're gonna choose from OU or OW. So you have the first bullet point, a blank gathered in the middle of the blank. So we'll do one together. This one should say a crowd, makes the owl sound. A crowd gathered in the middle of the town. So same thing as the owl sound. Okay. The second bullet point says, there were a blank people all blank loudly. The third one, the blank is wearing baggy green blank, and this one's referring to the picture that you see here. The fourth one, the cowboy is blank up the herd of blank cows. And the last one says, it takes one blank to drive to the blank. Okay, let's go down to question number 4. Question 4, you're going to work on your rhyming words. So it says, write 3 words that rhyme with each of these words. So here you have flower, how, growl, town, and hour. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to try using my texting tool to see. So as soon as I read hour, I thought of also clock has hour. Town, I can say, can I think of one right now? I'll come back to it. growl. Can't think of one for growl. Oh, prowl. For howl, we can say, nope, we can't say toe, because even though it should sound the same, or like it looks like it sounds the same, if we say how and toe, you can see that the OW makes different sounds. So how now. And flower, power. And town, I can't think of one right now, and I don't want to spend too much time thinking, otherwise this video will be really long. Okay, so if you guys can think of a word that rhymes with town, go ahead and try to see if you can find 3. So that's your goal, to see if you can find 2 more for the other ones that I have not done for you. Okay, down at the very bottom, oops, let me clear that so you don't see those words. You have a spelling challenge. You're going to unscramble the letters to spell 5 flowers. Okay, so these are all flowers' names. So if we look at, let's see, I can see the first one here. It's going to be poppy, P-O-P-P-Y. And that is actually California state flower. We have the golden poppy. Alrighty. Then go to your next page in your packet. More spelling work. Let me keep scrolling down. Alrighty. Number 1, it says write the compound word, and then you're going to read them to a friend. If you don't have a friend, feel free to record it into your Class Dojo portfolio, make a video, and then read it for your teacher. Extra credit if you do that. Alrighty. So here we have one word, and then on the right side, we have another word. Remember, compound words, it takes 2. So here's 1 and 2. They're 2 independent words. They can be words by themselves. So they take 2 words, combine it into one. So here, the one that I just did combines out plus side to make outside. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing for board, line, fit, law, and also the right-hand side, doors, break, skirts, burst, and field. Question number 2, it says add the missing letters, and you're going to choose from ear, So Ken came blank, and I came blank in the foot race. So we have to think, what goes in there? Is it going to be F-E-R-S-T, first? It sounds like first, but I know it's not spelled correctly. How about I-R, first, F-I-R-S-T. So Ken came in first, and I came in third. So they're both IRs for that one. Okay, and then you're going to do the same for the second bullet point. We are going to the blank on blank evening, and that one relates to the picture that you see here. The third bullet point says, the girl in the blue blank has long blank hair. Bill has a pet blank, and his sister has a pet blank. The last one says, my blank balloon blank with a loud bang. So remember, if you get stuck on any of them, plug in the letters ER, IR, or UR, and see which one is the best fit, because it will spell the word correctly. Okay, let's keep moving down. Number 3, I see the instruction says, unscramble the letters to name the pictures. Oh, that's pretty easy. Here we have, these are the 4 pictures. I'm not going to do an example for you. The only thing I will say is, as you are writing out the name for the picture, make sure you are using each letter so you're spelling it correctly. Okay, and question number 4 says to spell the missing word. An orange is sweet, but a lemon is blank. Think about, what is a lemon? If you said sour, you are correct. So here I would add in O-U-R for sour. Second bullet point, you put food into your blank. Mom carries her money in a blank. The farmer has a large blank of cattle. And the last one, I threw the ball high and Greg blank it. Okay, and then here you have a spelling challenge. So this one, you can use the letters in this word to make as many new words as possible. So the word is marvelous, and you're gonna score 5 points for each correct word. So here you'll see that the first one has 3 spaces to the right, and it also has 4 spaces down. So let me show you what they want you to do. So here, if you look at marvelous, you gotta come up with 3 of these letters that will make a word. So for example, I already see, I see a 4-letter, oh, I see a 3-letter, RAM, R-A-M. Okay, once I have an R in this first spot, then when I go down, the 4-letter word also has to start with R. So let me see if I can see one. R, A, R, O, R, E. So I see raise, R, A, V, E. Okay, so now it's going to get kind of tricky. I don't know if that was a good one because in this third spot here, I picked a V, and I don't know if there's any 4 letters that I can pick from these letters here to make a 4-letter word. Oh, actually, I do see one. It's a thing that you put flowers in. So if you see that, you guys can plug that in there. So as you're putting in words, just remember that it has to obviously be spelled correctly. So when I put in RAM here, then going down, I had to make sure that the first word starts with an R. So if I go to my second column, oh, I guess it's extra bonus if you can. So if I pick a word that starts with A here, and I go down, then that would also help with the spelling going across. Okay, for this one, go ahead and see how many words you can make. If you can't fill in this little box here, then don't worry about it. You can also just write the words like over here, however many words you can see from these letters, and then you can write your score here, and then get 5 points for each one. So far, if I finish with just these 2, I would say that my score is 10. Okay, your goal is to beat my score. Okay, then the last page, we're gonna move into our prefixes and suffixes. Oh, as I'm scrolling down, if you guys want to pause the video, you guys can see the answer key to the first part of your first worksheet, and then also the second worksheet. So if you've made it this far, here's all the answers. If you just pause the video, then you guys can see these. Okay, going down to root words and affixes. So remember, prefixes, they come at the beginning. So here, oh, it's faster if I type it. The prefixes come at the beginning of a word, okay? And so if we have the word here, by, the meaning means to. So my word example that I thought of right away was bicycle, because a bicycle has 2 wheels, okay? Then your next word is dis, and that means not or opposite of. Then you have in, which means in or within. So as I'm reading these, make sure you guys pause the video, and then on the right-hand side right here, you guys should be writing words that starts with dis, in, miss, which means bad or wrong. Middle, sorry, mid means middle. You write your word. And then the next one is pre. Pre means before or ahead of. The next one's re, like again or back. The next one is super, bigger, above, better. And the last one's on, which means not, to do the opposite. So just go ahead and write your words on the right-hand side. You just need one word. Okay, going down to suffixes. So if prefixes comes at the beginning of a root word, suffix comes at the end of a root word. Okay. So the first one they give you is able, which means able to. And so I might say like walk, oops, let me get my text box. I can say walkable, Like, for example, like the driveway is walkable or that dirt path is walkable. The next suffix is ate, which means to make. The next one is full, like full of. Less, without. Like something. Lee, in a certain way. And ness, a way of being. Okay, so once you have written all of your words in these word example sides, you get bonus points if you go into your Class Dojo portfolio, these two parts right here. In your Class Dojo portfolio, take a picture of this page and post it in your portfolio for your teacher to see. Alrighty, crew, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get out from underwater because it's really cold down here, and I will see you all later.